Hello everyone, my name is Ron Gupta, Assistant Professor KIET Ghaziabad. In this lecture, we will see how to decompose the transfer function in parallel relation. In parallel relation, the given transfer function is decomposed using partial fraction. This is the example. A transfer function is given, and this is the proper transfer function because numerator and denominator degree are same, order is same. This is order of 2 and this is also order of 2. So first of all, when parallel relation is done, first of all divide the transfer function by z. Then sz divided by z is equal to 5z upon z minus 1 by 2 into z minus 1 by 3. Now do the partial fraction. A upon z minus 1 by 2 plus b upon z minus 1 by 3. 5z is equal to a z minus 1 by 3 plus b z minus 1 by 2. You can calculate the value of a and b. After putting z is equal to 1 by 3, we get b is equal to minus 10 and after putting z is equal to 1 by 2, we get a is equal to 15. Now sz by divided by z is equal to 15 upon z minus 1 by 2 minus 10 upon z minus 1 by 3, and multiply by z, we get 15z upon z minus 1 by 2 minus 10z upon z minus 1 by 3. Now make this 1 and make this 1. We get 15 upon 1 minus 1 by 2 z inverse minus 10 upon 1 minus 1 by 3 z inverse. And the picture and the figure and the picture of this is like the CCF, controllable canonical form. That's why I have divided the sz by z. Now make the CCF for this h1z. This is forward path is 15. This is forward path 15. Okay, 15 we can multiply here 15. Okay, forward path you can select the 15 into z inverse because forward path is 1. Okay, we can select z inverse here. Okay, similarly you can select z inverse here. Okay, z inverse because loop gain is minus 1 by 3 into z inverse, so this will be positive. Okay, and gain is here, gain is 1 by 3 and this will also be 1. So forward path is 1 because 15 into 1 and here 1 into minus 10. Okay, and loop gain 1 by 2 z inverse, 1 by 2 z inverse. Here loop gain is 1 by 3 z inverse, 1 by 3 z inverse. This is the SFG. How to calculate the matrices, state equation matrices, we will see here. You can select, this is x1k plus 1 and this is x1k. Okay, and what is the value of x1k plus 1? x1k plus 1 is equal to incoming, 1 is incoming. Okay, and 1, this is suppose b dash, and b dash into 1. Okay, and what is the value of b dash? B dash is equal to 15 into UK because this is UK plus 1 by 2 x1k. Okay, x1k plus 1 becomes 15 UK plus 1 by 2 x1k, equation number 1. Similarly, we can select, this is x2k and this is x2k. This is x2k plus 1 and this is x2. x2k plus 1 is equal to incoming node outgoing, incoming. incoming node is only this 1 into, suppose this is b double dash, and what is the value of b double dash? B double dash incoming node is this and this. B dash is equal to 1 into uk plus 1 by 3 x2k. Okay, so x2k plus 1 is equal to 1 uk minus plus 1 by 3 x2k. In matrix form, it may be written as x1k plus 1 x2k plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2 0.5 0 0 1 by 3 0.67 0.33. Okay, x1k x2k plus 15 1 uk. This is the state variable matrix and this is the input matrix. What is output? Output is yk or yz is equal to 1 into b triple dash. Yk is equal to 1 into b triple dash, and what is the value of b triple dash? Incoming node is this and this. 1 into x1k plus 1 plus x2k plus 1. Okay, put the values of x1k plus 1 and x2k plus 1, we can calculate the yk. After putting the value of x1k plus 1 and x2k plus 1, we can calculate the yk matrix, yk value. Now, we will see if we don't divide the sz divided by sz by z, then how we can calculate the yk and x1k xk plus 1. The given transfer function is sz is equal to 5z square upon z minus 1 by 2 into z minus 1 by 3. sz is equal to 5z square upon z minus 1 by 2 z minus 1 by 3. Because order of numerator and denominator is same. So first of all we have to divide the numerator. Then we get some constant k plus z minus 1 by 2, okay, a plus b upon z minus 1 by 3. Okay, because we are dividing this and we get the constant value, because z square upon z square is 1. Now make this 1 and make this 1. We get k plus a 1 minus 1 by 2 z inverse into z inverse. Some students prefer this and some students prefer this, and both are similar, both are same. Student can calculate the value of a, b, okay, and k also. Now z inverse, because order of numerator and denominator is similar and poles are second order, means 2 poles, or can say z inverse is 2. So number of delays should be equal to order of the system. So number of z inverse should be 2. So first of all draw the z inverse. Only 2 z inverse are used for canonical structure. Now 1 by 2 z inverse, here 1 by 3 z inverse, 1 by 3 z inverse. Okay, using Masson-Gain formula, I is equal to 1 to k pi delta I upon delta. What is the value of p? Value of p is AZ inverse. Okay, and here value of p BZ inverse. So this is A and this is B. Some students connect here A and B similar. Okay, and first branch, second branch, and third branch. Third branch only consists K. So third branch only K and nothing else. Okay, so connect 1 1. Now check what is the value of P1. AZ inverse. If we go from A to B, then we get 1 into Z inverse into A. Yeah, means AZ inverse. From that path, 1 into Z inverse into B. Yeah, means BZ inverse. Okay. Now see 1. This is 1 and only K. Okay. Now loop 1 by 2 Z inverse, 1 by 2 Z inverse. Okay. And this is 1 by 3 Z inverse. This is 1 by 3 Z inverse. Okay. And here this is input. This is input and this is output 1 Y. Now how to write the equations for a state space? We will see. First of all select the state space variable. Here I am considering x1k plus 1, then this is x1k, this is x2k plus 1, and this is x2k. What is the value of x1k plus 1? Incoming nodes. Incoming nodes are this and this. x1k plus 1 is equal to 1 times uk minus plus 1 by 2 x1k. Okay, x2k plus 1 is equal to 1 times uk plus 1 by 3 x2k. If we see the x1k plus 1 and x2k plus 1, we can conclude the results are similar like previous result. Okay, what is the value of yk? Yk is equal to incoming nodes. Incoming nodes are 3. This and this means k uk plus a x1k plus b x2k. Okay, and we can arrange in the matrix form x1k plus 1 x2k plus 1 is equal to 0.5 0 0 0.33 means 1 by 3 x1k plus x1k x2k plus 1 uk. And remember, if we draw the parallelization, this matrix always in 99% cases are filled. Okay, and means 1 1 or any value can exist. yk is equal to a b x1k x2k, okay, plus k uk. Okay, and you can see KUK, and you can see here transfer function is proper transfer function, not strictly proper. Then D matrix exists. If Z is means here, now this is strictly proper. Now it becomes 0. Okay, thank you.